we're going to be starting this one at Avenida Panoramica del Lago Namban, and we're going to go follow that sign that says Sal Lorenzo. So we're going to be heading up that way. Might even head up that way. We'll see when we cross the street. And I'll give you the name of that street that we're going to go on as well. I'll give you a little context. We're kind of near the Macau Tower, and we're near this Namban Lake right now. So that's a little context of where we are. It's an AIA building up there. There's some casinos down there like Wynn, and we kind of have this little area like this too. We've got little sculptures and things like that. People kind of hanging out, and you can, but anyways, our focus is going to be on going up towards Sal Lorenzo.
Chiquinha, chiquinha.
Let's go check out the room.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so Sal Lorenzo's there. Gonna take the green light while we can get it. And first thing we're gonna notice right away is that cool pink building. I think we're gonna go up on that side of it this time. I've done both sides. That's the waterfront we were just at, right there. And we can go too, we got the green light. I can't tell you what this pink building is, but there's a lot of security, always, in this space. And I think what we'll do is we'll just kind of go down that way, I guess. So we'll start, that's our AIA building. That's that waterfront area. That's Macau Tower. And then we're gonna start going up this pink building. So I think they have a lot of security here. I don't know if that's like the mayor or the governor or something like that. I'm not entirely sure, so I won't put my camera on it too much, but we will kind of follow this way, and then we're gonna go straight up this street. And then that'll be the name of our street, and we're basically gonna be going towards Sal Lorenzo. Let's see what this is. Government house, okay. Monuments, government house right there. So this is the house of the government. And we're gonna head straight up that way, which is following the government as well. And then check out some of these apartments here too, right? So we're just gonna walk up Travessa do Paiva. So this is gonna be our focus right here, Travessa do Paiva. So I'll probably label this accordingly. And this will basically be the way that goes to, that connects from that street that we started at. It's kind of a cool little thing right there. It's like a giant fish thing at the top there. Okay, so we're gonna go on up. That's our government house. There's some other cool stuff in here too. Reservado. That's a nice building right there. That's our governor's house right next to us, so we're going to be kind of following this governor's house. So we're starting there, and we're going to go to Sal Lorenzo. And this will be our focus street right here. But we also got this kind of cool looking yellow as well. Nice balcony up there. So let's go check it all out. It's pretty cool. We've got some other interesting stuff along the way, it looks like. Including some alleys like this. Dang, I kind of want to explore that. Looks pretty cool in there. All kinds of cool stuff in there. Dang, okay. But that won't be today's focus. Because today, we're gonna keep going on this street. Look at these balconies too. Dang, these balconies are beautiful. There's the governor's house. That's another cool balcony right there. They got some chairs out there you can sit at. Yeah, this looks really nice. Yeah, that looks like really cool right there. Oh, that's amazing. Yeah, check that out. You can sit out there, sit up there. Okay. Let's keep on going up this way. I got another little street here. This is kind of cool too. This one's just kind of straight and that one just kind of up a little bit. Oh, you can actually park here. It looks like this actually might be reserved for certain places, so you have to do that thing, then come in and park somehow. Pretty cool looking building, and then all those balconies right there too. And then the governor's house as well. So you go look to the top. And then São Lourenço, looks like it's right here. There's a church down here. And there's a church right down there, so we're gonna basically go towards that church. So right straight that way. Just gonna capture some of the iconic stuff. Travessa de Paiva. Okay, let's just kind of get across here. And we're off of our street, but basically that was the governor's palace down that way. And then this is that sign that said to Bavaria, right? Sorry. To the São Lourenço. And here's São Lourenço right here. So this giant church right here. So I think we'll take you up to the church so that you can conclude it and kind of see how close it is to the waterfront. And we'll probably conclude in a few minutes. Probably less than a minute. Jump over the water. Go up like that. Then we'll run up to the top. And it's going to be closed, but at least you can see it. And there's São Lourenço. Okay. No visitors allowed. Doors look like they're open though. Okay. And that's basically where we started. We started down by that waterfront, right down that way. And we came up by that blue, pink governor's building. But we just happened to go down the other street, right? So, okay, kind of cool.
Chiquinha, chiquinha.